Introducing the 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. This 7-passenger van just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, removable floor console, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.